My name is Della Gill and I'm from Alice Springs.
Hi, my name's Sally Boomer and I'm from the Elliott community and you're watching
YiraraTV!
Hey, well done!
17 Yirara fellows travelled over 1,000 kilometres north to Katherine as part of Clontarf's annual Territory Cup competition.
Oh, he's kicked it!
Where all the academies from the Northern Territory come together and battle out who will win the trophy for 2024.
YiraraTV! Let's go!
After playing all week and showing strong Clontarf spirit, Yirara Brumbies Academy won the cup undefeated.
Hey, part A done! Part A, awesome! Now let's practice.
To celebrate the win, they stopped by Watarrka National Park for a swim after playing 6 matches in Katherine. Then, after a great week away, it's time to go back to Yirara. Kevin and Elijah travel all around Australia running schools workshop, telling stories with sounds and using things you will find around the house.
Hi, my name is Kevin and I'm a musician.
And my name's Elijah and I'm also a musician.
And together we make a group called The Rhythm Works. And we're lucky enough to tour all around Australia working for Musica Viva Australia. We've come to Yirara today to share some of our music with the students and show them how we create stories and images with our music. Engaging them in the ideas that they can tell their own stories, they can create their own music to tell their own stories.
We use a variety of instruments to show the students how we do this.
We're really hoping that the students will leave our concert with the idea that they could create some of their own music. So thanks for having us here today. It was so great to see the children get involved.
They were quite shy at first, but really started to open up at the end.
So we've really enjoyed our time at Alice Springs this week.
And we look forward to any opportunities to come back to Alice Springs and see the rest that it has to offer.
And of course, Musica Viva Australia would really like to thank all of their sponsors and supporters who make it possible for us to come here. Bye!
For the first time this year, female boarding went on a 2-night camp down south Watarrka National Park and stayed at King Canyon.
Hey YiraraTV, this is Female Boarding and we are heading out today to Watarrka Regional National Park for Female Boarding's first ever camp. Woo! Woo! Let's go!
Everybody wanna see us together, everybody don't better know. Cause I got you. Nobody wanna see us together. Hello, you are.
What are we making?
We're making
Yum!
just to see the sunrise. Hey YiraraTV, we finally arrived.
The girls came down really fast this morning. We woke them up at 7 o'clock and they've already got everything down and it's only 10 to 8. So well done. I'm really proud of the girls.
All the wonders I see, the rainbow shines through my window, my God loves me.
The fellas slept under the stars, played volleyball games under the lights, and shared stories around the campfire.
So we went to shopping yesterday. And we slept at the basketball last night. Mattresses last night, and it was really cold. And volleyball. Yeah, we were playing volleyball.
Living Waters Year 3 and 4 students camped at Yirara for 3 days and enjoyed sharing activities with our students. More in next week's YiraraTV.
Hi, my name is Katherine and I like eating ice cream.
Hi, my name is Mo and I actually love kangaroo tail because it's so nice with lemon and lemon is sour.
My name is Angus, and what I love about Yirara is that they have their own TV channel. Like it goes across Facebook and YouTube, and I also like how they got trampolines. They jump very, very high. I went flying.
My name is Kenzo and I didn't know they have 2 swimming pools.
My name is Ethan, and I like that Yirara has their own TV show.
My name is Charles and I like eating kangaroo tail.
Hello everyone, I'm here at the University of Queensland. Very tired, but you know, I'll just take a step back. Orlando's laughing at me, I don't know why. I just am going to come around because we've got some really excited people here that want to tell you how it's all going here in Brisbane. I'm going to actually start with one young fella over here. His name is Orlando Rabunja. Let's see what he's thinking. Over to you, Orlando.
There's nothing like drinking iced coffee in the morning. Just iced coffee. So far, Brisbane's feeling amazing. Don't get jealous because it's lovely here. Give it on to the next person.
Who's next?
Yes, Campbell just kicking back and having a coffee, but yeah, ready to go visit Rose's family soon from the university, and yeah, I'll just see him when we get back, fellas.
Alright, who's next? Della.
Yeah, I'm just happy. Hot coffee, yeah. I like this place and yeah.
I feel glad that I'm at uni.
It's good to be here.
Yeah.
Della, you right?
Yeah, excited for day 2 at YouTube.
And then I'm gonna get the man behind the camera. How you feeling?
Pretty good. Excited to see new faces in the school.
You got a little coffee.
This is sugar actually. Sugar. But yeah, really excited to see different people.
Yes, you guys are the best. I'm just moving down here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Gosh, my ankle's healed. Here we are. Anthony, how you feeling?
I'm feeling happy and excited about today.
Really pumped about today and what's everyone experienced. So yeah, bring it on.
Right on. Tony, how you feeling?
I'm feeling excited to meet new people in this university. It's a beautiful town.
It is a town.
It is a town, isn't it?
It is a town.
I mean,
it looks like a town, That's one thing behind your back.
Yeah, hang on, I'm coming back, yes.
That's one thing about this university. It has its own postcode.
Can you remember what the postcode is?
4080.
No.
Anyway, I get what you're saying.
It's massive.
Massive.
I just know it has an 8 in it.
Oh, okay. 4080.
It has beautiful landscapes. Look at that.
So in 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Gone for 2 minutes 50. Hello Shakota, how are you feeling? Can you tell me what you're excited about today? Seeing this person's people. Oh, look at her, she's in the zone.
I'm excited about meeting new people and getting to know their
Little group?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be great. I'm looking forward to that too. UQ Spear.
UQ Spear. And they're late.
And
Island time.
Act safely, always respectful.
Continue learning and look after each other.
Bye!
Hey, well done. And we're all finished. You want to have a look?
Yes. Can we look? Mr. Paul, when are you going to put this on Facebook? All of our friends going to stare at us on Friday for assembly.
That'd be awesome. And imagine your family. Won't they be so proud?
My mum will see it on Facebook
My
too.
mom's going to see it on Facebook.
They'll be excited. They'll be so proud.
And
How do you say
Mr.
this?
I'll see it on Instagram.
Yirara Basil.
The first take of the names. 3, 2, 1.
Hi, my name is Della Gill and I'm from Alice Springs.
Hi, my name's Della and I'm from Elliott.
And welcome to you.
For goodness.
We need to practice. All right, here we go.
Because are you recording it now?
So, back straight, looking at the camera.
Record it and then we choose a good bit.
Okay.
So, take number 2 of the name.
Like that, okay? Like, I'll go like that. Oh, like that.
Okay, like
Try
that.
not to hit her in the face.
Okay, go.
All right, here we go. Take number 2 of the names. Back straight, looking at the camera, proud and strong. And 3, 2, 1.
Hi, my name is Della Gill and I'm from Yirara. Wait.
Alice Springs. Not
Alice
Yirara.
Springs is what you meant to
She
say.
said Yirara, mister.
That's okay, that's okay.
No.
All right, here we go. Take number 3.
Fine.
Looking at the camera
Alice
again.
Springs. Alice Springs.
Alice Springs.
Don't laugh, serious.
And 3, 2, 1.
Hi, my name is Della Gill